Today, I'll show you how to add a meeting link to your chat widget. Whether you're looking to streamline your communication or simply provide a more user-friendly experience, integrating a meeting link into your chat widget can be a game changer. So let's dive right in. First, we need to navigate to the automation section and then to chat flows. Once you're there, you'll want to locate and edit your bot. This is where all the magic happens. By editing your bot here, you're essentially telling it what you want it to do and when. This might seem a bit technical, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it step by step. Now, once you're in the editing mode of your bot, look for the plus icon, which usually looks like a small circle with a plus sign inside it. This icon is your gateway to adding new actions or interactions within your bot's flow. Go ahead and click this plus icon at the point where you want the meeting offer to appear in the chat sequence. This is a crucial step as it determines when your meeting link will be presented to the user during their interaction. After clicking the plus icon, you'll see a new panel appear on the right side of your screen. This is where you have a variety of actions to choose from. For our purpose, you'll want to select the Book a Meeting action. This action is specifically designed to allow users to seamlessly schedule appointments directly from the chat widget, making it incredibly convenient for both you and your clients. Now, with the Book a Meeting action selected, it's time to configure it. This step is where you'll add the actual meeting link. Think of this as giving your bot the exact address or URL where the meeting will take place. It's important to ensure that the link is accurate and up to date, so double check it before proceeding. Once you've entered the meeting link, don't forget to save your changes. Saving is a simple step, but it's crucial to ensure that all the changes you've made are recorded and implemented. Without saving, the adjustments won't take effect and your hard work will be lost. And there you have it. You've successfully added a meeting link to your chat widget. By following these steps, you've not only enhanced the functionality of your chat flow, but also made it easier for users to schedule meetings directly from your site. This small addition can significantly improve user interaction and satisfaction as it reduces the steps needed to set up a meeting. As a final tip, consider testing the chat flow once you've made these changes. This ensures everything is working as expected and gives you the chance to experience the process from a user's perspective. I hope you found this guide helpful. Implementing this feature should now be a breeze and you'll be reaping the benefits of a more interactive and efficient chat widget in no time. Thanks for watching and happy automating.